Okay, so this is what you do. You go to your Zoom, you go to meetings, you go to edit, and then you go to set advanced options. Then you come down here and it says automatically record, no, right underneath automatically record meetings, it says alternative hosts and it's plural. I put in Kelly Fresh and it accepted it. Okay. Then I tried to put in N V Nixon at sbunified.org. Did I spell everything right? It's been a long day. Okay. Return. Oh, why didn't I do it? I forgot the comma. Okay, so there, now it's, okay, it looks good. So you say save, but watch what pops on my screen. Users could not be added as alternative hosts because they may not be members of the same account. Okay, so I don't know why they said hosts. So I'm going to try taking off Kelly and save. And it still does that. So Kelly works, but the other substitute one didn't work at all. And this one, so I'm just going to put in Kelly Fresh. I'm sorry, Kelly, but you're going to be on, man. Okay? Because you're the only address I could get to have work. So maybe I'm just an idiot. Okay, friends, I hope that helps you.